Hey everyone, I just posted on Facebook before recording this, but I just want to let you know it's going to be a little bit difficult doing the video wrap-ups like I did last year. I'm here on assignment with Dirt Bike Magazine, so that's the primary goal and the objective that I have for this week, but I still want to try and get you guys updates. I just left the media center, heading to grab some dinner right now, and then it's back to full bore at the house, and hopefully I can get a video up later tonight. But huge storylines for day number 1 here in Galicia. If you guys saw my stories on Instagram, Great Britain with a huge hole already, pretty much done. The official results aren't out, so don't expect a huge detailed breakdown as far as results are concerned from me. But Harry Edmondson, who had just gotten moved up from the junior team to the World Trophy team, the bike wouldn't run. It wouldn't run coming off the pad. So you got to get 30 feet, I believe, off the start pad with the bike running, or else you receive a penalty. He received that penalty, and then he couldn't get the bike started. You saw some of my video on my story. And let's see here. Correct. Okay, that's information for tomorrow. He worked on that bike for over an hour before he finally got going. I'm told that the rule is you have to be within 30 minutes of your time at the time control. Once you get past 30 minutes, or once you're at an hour total, that's it. You're done for the day. He ran the special test. I at least saw him at 2 of the special tests. I don't know how the rest of the day went for him, but huge hole for Great Britain. They did have some bright spots though. Steve Holcomb, the multi-time World Enduro champion, took 3 of the 6 special test wins today, so great for him. He challenged Garcia for the test wins, and he's second outright on the day. Josep Garcia wins the other 3 special tests and has about a 7 or 8 second lead, I think, going into day 2 tomorrow. Also, with some unfortunate breaks today, Italy's junior team lost a rider, Manuel Verzaroli. Bike broke towards the end of the second special test. I actually have him pushing it on camera. So, rough day for Italy Junior. And then Andrea Verona, who is typically the one to challenge Garcia in the World Enduro Championships, along with Holcomb, and he's really been the most consistent one to challenge Garcia at ISDE over the last 3 to 5 years. He doesn't show up for test 4. He shows up for test number 5. But then if you look at the results, he only shows up in the first 3 tests. So not entirely sure what happened there. But unless there's a correction that I don't know about, then Italy's out of the world standings, the World Trophy standings as well, along with Junior on day number 1, which is a huge hit to them, especially considering the fact that it's Verona that's out. They still got Matteo Cavallo, to lead the helm for them, but man, losing Verona is a massive hit to Team Italy. As far as the rest of the day goes, the junior standings, Sweden is well and clear ahead right now. I don't know the total since the results aren't published, but Sweden is making it known that they are going for redemption after losing the title with 3 laps to go in the final moto last year. France sits second. USA sits third. In the World Trophy standings, it's France, USA, and I believe Spain in third. As far as juniors go, good day on the American front. Grant Davis and Mateo Oliveira, 6th and 7th on the day. Rough first day for Jason Tino, but he's the rookie. He's going to figure this out. 21st on the day, a couple of minutes off of the individual lead from Axel Sem of Sweden. But got time to make it up. But like I said, USA juniors are third. And then in the women's today, Brandy Richards took 2 of the test wins. Taylor Jones took 2 of the test wins. And then the other 2 were won by Maria Badia of Spain. And then Rachel Archer. She took the final test win of the day here at the paddock. That's just over my shoulder, maybe a quarter mile away. Individually, Brandy leads the way over Badia. Archer is third. Team standings wise, unofficially, according to all the calculations that I've seen, USA leads, followed by Australia, and then I believe Spain would be third. Don't quote me on that by any means, but good first day of racing. Club, don't really have any updates. Jaden Donners was quick, and he was one of the first club riders out. Jack Walker, I saw in the results, he's got a 2-minute penalty for something, and I'm not entirely sure why. I haven't been able to talk to any of the club riders today. As soon as Women Trophy left to go to impound, I went to the media tent. But yeah, if you're still watching, I've been overlaying the video highlights from today. If I get this out. But yeah, day 1 wrap up here in Spain. I'm heading off to eat and then gonna finish some more workup for you guys. But yeah, here in about 12 hours, it's gonna be day 2. See you guys.